Is the Shriram Life Sunishchit Laabh plan your key to secure savings, or is just another option in an already crowded market? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what is this policy is about. So this is a non-linked, non-participating individual life insurance savings plan which has key features like it offers two life cover options, Life and Life Plus, and it provides guaranteed benefits along with loyalty additions, and there is always choice between two benefit payout options like Income Plus and Income Pro, and there are flexible premium payment terms ranging from 7 to 25 years, and there is an option to select an income payout period between 10 to 40 years. Now, what are the benefits? So it has benefits like death benefit, which differs during the policy term and also after the policy term, and also according to the plan option you have opted for. And it has benefits like maturity benefit, loyalty additions, which all depends on what policy term you have or what kind of policy option you have opted for. If you want to know more about it in detail, you can refer to the policy brochure. Now let's move on to understanding the advantages and disadvantages of this policy. So the advantages are the loan available is up to 90% of the surrender value, provided the annual interest payable does not exceed 50% of the maturity benefit payout, and you get enhanced protection with 4 optional riders. There are high benefits for higher premiums, and you get additional benefits for female policy holders, and there is a flexibility to customize policy term, premium paying term, and benefit payout mode anytime during the policy tenure to suit your financial needs. The Life Plus option includes the waiver of premiums on death for added protection. The disadvantages are your life cover does not continue during the income payout period, and annual income benefits may result in unnecessary discretionary spending, and yearly payouts reduce the compounding effect on the investment. While the benefits are guaranteed, the overall returns are low. So these are some drawbacks that you need to be mindful about before deciding to invest in this policy. Now, as we have a basic understanding of this policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to calculate the internal rate of return (IRR) of this policy using the figures from the policy brochure to help you make an informed decision. Now let us assume for calculation purpose that a 35-year-old male has purchased this policy paying 1 lakh annually for 10 years. The income payout period begins after the premium payment term, lasting 10 years with a sum assured of 10 lakhs. So he receives a guaranteed income benefit of 1,65,735 rupees per year for 10 years. The IRR for this cash flow is 4.70% as per the policy's maturity calculator, which is only subpar returns. So guaranteed income benefits are not beneficial if returns are lower than typical debt instruments. Moreover, the sum assured is insufficient to meet a family's basic needs. Overall, the Shriram Life Sunishchit Laabh plan may not be ideal for achieving long-term financial goals, particularly when building a substantial corpus is essential. So while the policy guarantees all its benefits, its returns fail to outpace inflation over the long term. With subpar returns and low insurance coverage, this plan is not suitable for either an investment portfolio or an insurance portfolio. Instead, you can allocate your savings more efficiently to achieve your financial milestones. So what we are going to do is we are going to allocate this premium into other alternative strategy. Like we have separated the life cover and investment component in this strategy and going to invest in it separately. For life cover, a pure term life insurance policy is the ideal choice because these policies come with affordable premiums, allowing you to invest the saved premium toward your life goals. So risk-averse investors can opt for debt instruments like PPF, while those willing to take on risk can invest in equity instruments such as ELSS funds. So you can consider a pure term life insurance policy with a 10 lakh sum assured costing 4,500 rupees annually for 10 years. After paying the premium, you can invest the remaining 25,500 rupees in an ELSS fund. At the end of 10 years, the ELSS investment grows to 18.77 lakhs after after accounting for the capital gains tax, the final corpus of 17.77 lakhs is shifted to an instrument yielding 7% return. From this, you can withdraw an annual income benefit similar to the Shriram policy while still retaining 13.72 lakhs. So the IRR for this alternative strategy is 8.56%, which is significantly higher than the 4.70% return of the Shriram policy. So the returns improve further if annual withdrawals are avoided, allowing the investment to compound. The strategy offers better returns, liquidity, and flexibility, which are lacking in the Shriram policy. So what is the final verdict on this analysis? Should we invest in the Shriram Life Sunishchit Laabh plan? Is it worth investing? This policy provides income payouts unaffected by market volatility. However, guaranteed benefits alone are not enough to achieve your financial goals. A long-term investment with low returns will fail to keep up with rising costs due to inflation. Despite the word Laabh, benefit in its name, the plan offers little real benefit. Under the Income Plus option, you receive regular income payout, while in the Income Pro option, you get both income payouts and return of premiums paid. However, neither option accounts for inflation, making them ineffective for long-term financial growth. Additionally, the sum assured is too low and does not continue during the income payout period. Low returns and inadequate coverage and lack of liquidity makes this plan an unreliable financial choice, and it also has a high agent commission. So a better approach would be to separate insurance from investment, like how we saw in the example of an alternative strategy. A pure term life insurance policy is the best way to protect your family financially, while a well-structured investment portfolio based on your risk tolerance ensures financial growth and goal achievement.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.